live there? Is it on live on YouTube?
Yeah. Live on YouTube and TikTok.
Live on YouTube and TikTok. What up, guys? Let's get some music going here for a little bit of fun. This is going to be more of a silent stream. Hey, Joe, make sure you can get in there and see it. On YouTube. On your computer. On your computer. What up, guys? What up? Yeah, the market is melting down, and it is time to party as we are going to be looking at how to trade this downside move, which we've been talking about for some time. And if you follow our YouTube channel, by the way, we posted a nice little YouTube this morning and just covered all the basics, you know, so that you could be ahead of the market. Oh, man. Is my computer frozen? That is frozen. So, going to be a little bit of a slower start here because why? Well, I'm really busy, but I wanted to throw this up as I am about to take some trades here, additional trades, as this box of Peace and Prosperity just got hit. And we'll call it Peace and Prosperity or Death and Despair. And why is that? Well, if we do not bounce here and we take out this low, well, we're going to go much lower. So what kind of buy? I mean, this was hit to the T. And how did I get this target? How did I get this target? Well, one, I know the liquidity lies right below this past prior wick. That's typically how those things work. Two, we got this massive ascending triangle. What's an ascending triangle? Well, typically they have a 75% chance to break into the upside. This one happened to break to the downside. And when they break to the downside, well, you measure from the 50%. They break it 75% full, so it almost broke to the upside there. Tricked a bunch of people, and Silvergate Bank running it down, smoking everybody's smoke hole this day. This day, they're doing it dirty to everybody who... And, you know, I'm a little bit cautiously taking along here, as I did just pick up a few Bitcoin at this level right here. You can see here some orders that just filled, 5 Bitcoin long at 23.82. So let's mark that off. 23.82 on Coinbase. That's not a great price. What happened there? What's up? Post a comment. Post a comment to your bros in the chat. As what is your main question, guys? You got 11 people out there watching over the interwebs. What is your main question right now? Like, how far does she go? Well, if the measure move gets hit, and by the way, on the weekly time frame, is that going to be our 618, not 0.5 region? Let's check it out. This is where the bull traps and the bear traps come in. So essentially, we could go a bit lower. And I don't know if some other news is going on out in the markets right now, but what I would love to do is throw up YouTube TV and get a little bit more. I know the big news today was Silvergate. Silvergate getting wrecked right here. The collapse of the crypto-friendly bank Silvergate has seemed to give anti-crypto lawmakers new material to push their agendas, sparking criticism from the community. Yeah, we all knew that was happening. Silvergate's going down. Going down to doggy town. And we got the federal funds rate, which is going up. You know, we're supposed to get 50 basis points coming in. There is now a 77.9% chance of a 50 basis point rate hike coming up on the 21st. So watch out for that date. Mark it on your calendar. Going to be a lot of volatility on that day. Additionally, on the 14th, the economic CPI data is going to come out for February. It is now March, so it is and the inflation rate, which was the consensus is 6.2. Gosh, we just don't get a lot of love on these live streams. What up? How to know Hasey in my Toby? What up, man? Welcome to the chat. Are you trading all day? Are you staring at a computer screen like I am? So this is our last line of defense, this green box here. I'm wondering, Joe, if we should just set it up live on the phone because we just don't get a lot of traffic. A lot of traffic on the live streams. But I'm just going to run through some targets that not only did we call this one out, I mean, weeks ago on YouTube, we called it out very nice. So the question I'm going to ask myself here is on the 15-minute time frame, is this time to take a long? Getting a bit of a jewel buy signal. That's nice. And Stokes got way down there. Let's see if what I want to do is see the hourlies, the 30 minutes crossed up. The hourly is not. So this probably has more continuation. I think I'm just going to let that position go. Yeah, it was only a small loss. And I'm going to take it back because it doesn't look like the market's ready to bounce yet. The 2-hour is still increasing. 4-hour still increasing. Volatility. 6-hour has room to go. And what I'm talking about is this guy. Volatility increasing. The 10-hour. The daily. Plenty of room to go. The 2-day. The 3-day. And this was our harbinger of death and despair. And this does have more to go, guys. She's got more to go to the downside after this target has been hit. Do we play out a bounce here? Probably. The hourly's about to close. So Coinbase is such a dog-do exchange, right? Such a doggy-do exchange. What up? Well, I'll show you what I targeted this morning was, and 3 weeks ago, based off of the 3-day bearish divergence. I've went over it a dozen times on our channel. Hidden bearish divergence, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drives, and that typically gives you a shot down to the 1618 fib, which is right where we are currently resting upon at the moment. And if we do close the next 15-minute below 20,140, which we apparently are going to do so, we got 5 minutes left on this candle. I am going to let go of my small little long position. Maybe there's something I don't know going on in the market right now. What's up, bro? BC 1986. That's the year I was born. 1986. I don't know if it was a good year. But I guess I'm going to get this stream out a little bit early today as I just wanted to see what's going on in the market and check in with all you guys. Normally we put the live stream on at the end of the day. Maybe I'll get some gum. Maybe I'll throw in the air conditioner. Anybody got any questions out there? BC, yeah, 1986. 1980 for Bitcoin. Well, I am literally running a short little long position right now. Hoping to get a... What indicators do you use? What up, GA AMP? Let's check out AMP. Which, by the way, guys, if you want to join our Discord, we're throwing out some free trading opportunities. Let me see if I can get the Discord in here somewhere. Let's see, where's the Discord? What up? Jim Castellano. What up? What up? Let's take a look at what is currently happening now. I had targeted this measure move off of this 3-day hidden bearish divergence, and this probably's got more to go, guys, more to go. But usually there's a lot of liquidity hanging out here, and you do get a little bounce. But my ultimate target is 18.5 over the next couple of days. I'd say it's sure to happen. It's pretty much a guarantee. So that means AMP and all the other doggy coins out there are going to get wrecked. Let's take a look at AMP on Coinbase. Holding it up, not so bad on the 3-day time. No, just kidding. It's getting crushed here and over the last 3 days, just like everything else. And where's the target on this one? Minimum target, I'm looking down to the 786 right here. So boom. Let's throw that up in the Discord. Where is my Discord? I'm just going to throw it up like this. Discord. Boom. Open Discord. Let's get on in there for our small time Discord. And let's just follow up on some of these trades I just put out over the past couple of days and see if they hit. But I'm going to throw this one up here in the chat. Join the Discord, join the YouTube channel, and check it out. So what's happening right now with Bitcoin? So AMP, there's my base case right now. It looks like it's going to get wrecked on its way down. Broke support. Had a big wick here on the day. Looked like it almost recovered. The hourly getting crushed. And I just had another very nice trade on VRA. Similar setup here. And what do I see on the hourly? Volatility is increasing. We're breaking the range here, and I'm willing to bet this is where the 1618 fib is going to line up. No, it's a little bit deeper. So let's see if Bitcoin can't bounce here. 20,300. Okay, so 15-minute momentum is holding up on Bitcoin right now. Let's see. So trend momentum and volatility, guys. This is how I trade. What is going on here is we're crossing the Stokes up from a deep, deep level on the 15-minute time frame. Volatility is beginning to decline. We got the first tick of a decline. And what else? And plus, this is just my bounce target region. So I did take a long from this area. Didn't get in the greatest position. Maybe I'll add a little bit more here. When the RSI gets this deep and down and regains the exponential, video quality will be adjusted. What up, Toby? I guess we'll see you later. Thanks for checking in. Jack Wielden. Jack, what time is the most important news coming out tomorrow? What time is the most important news? Well, tomorrow's Friday, and actually what I looked on the news, there wasn't much coming out tomorrow, Jack. Tomorrow, if you want to check this out, myfxbook.com, the Forex calendar, you just go to the economic calendar right there, and then you look for the United States high economic impact data. And if we look at tomorrow, well, a bunch of news coming out. Europe retail sales is coming out in 10 hours, so that's not important. I need a cup of coffee. My brain is starting to hurt here, guys. I might need to go to the gym, take a little break. I'm halfway through my day, and I got a meeting here coming up in an hour and 15 minutes. Very, very important meeting, so I will have to end this relatively soon. What caused this today? Well, something that my mentor always said is there's only one thing that makes the price of Bitcoin go down. And why don't we take a little bit more? Let's take another nibble on this Bitcoin here. We could do 5 more. Let's jump in there. So we got a little bit of money to work with here. Bitcoin long. We're not using any leverage. We're just spot trading here for fun. And we were saying that likely to get a bounce at that area at 23.3. Let's put 5 more Bitcoin. Let's add 100 grand here. Get a little bit more for a scalp at 23.14. That looks good enough for me. We got another 15 minutes on this candle. And Stokes are up above 21.37. So this is the magic number. As long as we hold up above this region here at 21.37. Sorry, you guys aren't seeing that screen. So as long as the Stokes are going to remain up. By the way, if you guys want to start following along, join our YouTube channel. We do fun, really, really fun episodes every day where you can figure out the method of the madness, like how to trade the market. It takes years. It takes science. It takes a lot of discipline and psychology, all that mumbo jumbo. But hey, when you got somebody here that can just kind of spell some things out for you, where you can ask a question like, what caused this today? Here's the answer, sir. It's not the news. It's not China. It's not Silvergate Bank. It's not your grandmother. She didn't hit the sell button. No. The only reason that caused the market to go up and down is an imbalance of buyers and sellers. That is the only reason. Anything anybody else tells you is full of crap. All right? There, I said it. They're full of crap. It's an imbalance of buyers and sellers. Should I put all my money in Tether or US Coinbase to keep from losing more? Well, again, I'm not here to give any investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor. What does my shirt say? It says, be awake, not woke. That's the best advice I can give you, sir. Be awake, not woke. And no, just kidding. The way this is lining up, statistically speaking, I'll tell you this much. Now I'm going to move down the line in the sand. Wow. So momentum on the daily time frame, and this is the invalidation point. So this is very important. If Bitcoin does close above 20,500, which is right here. What up, Maze? What up, what up, what up? Hey, guys, can you do something on YouTube? See if you can get it out. Like, share it somewhere. Like, ping some people. Yeah, on YouTube. Let's see, is anybody on? On it, baby. Get it done. Get it done. Because we are giving out the heat here. Giving out the heat. So, back on to my main point here. Is this. If, look at these, equities are dumping right now. The dollar is, now this is bad. This is bad. So what you really didn't want to see this. The dollar is likely heading up to this region, right? When the dollar goes up, stocks go down. Bitcoin goes down. Check out Sean Scott, 838. check out. Oh, I wish I could post it in the chat. Can I reply to my own chats, Joe? Sorry, I'm new to TikTok, guys. I'm super new to YouTube. Also, I'm not a tech savvy guy. I'm more of a trader guy. Huh. I'm just gonna start blasting this out. YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. Anyways, let's review some of our trades here on. Joe, can you send me the link? Text me the link. You texted it?
I replied to this guy live.
No, can you? Can you? Sorry, I'm gonna be back here. Email the link to me. Email.
Yeah.
All right, because there's a couple of things I got to do while I'm trading here. I might want to grab that 5 more. At 5 more.
How many people are in the TikTok live?
TikTok Live is weak too. I mean, we're better off on the phone. Sean, here, check out the YouTube channel. By the way, the Resource Center, Bitcoin Advisors homepage. Rocket your retirement to the moon. We got a mobile app. You can get that there. And you can get a free investor guide on how to put Bitcoin in your IRA. Resources. Boom. So this is TradingView, how to set up TradingView tutorial. Let's see if it actually takes you off the site. No. It didn't take me off the site. All right. Boom. This is... No, I'm not going to subscribe to my own channel.
What's the name of the YouTube channel? Sean Scott. Name of the YouTube channel is Bitcoin Advisors.
Yeah, that's why I'm putting this up. This is the name of the YouTube channel. And here is the live that we're on right now. You just sent me.
Pull on my coin in Tether or US Coinbase to keep from the list.
So, here's what else I'm going to do. I'm going to just bomb all of these people in here with Donna Gomez. Here's my thoughts on that. Yes, ma'am. Get in our live stream. Boom. Anyways, I'm going to get in here. I'm going to start going over. So here's what I was talking about, the dollar. The dollar's going down today, and stocks are going down, and Bitcoin is going down. That's not down 6% now. Down to doggy town. What? No, I think the TikTok live would be hitting a lot harder from the phone. Should we sign out?
So switch over. Guys, we're going to switch over to the...
All right, guys, we're going to restart the lot, but we can keep it on here, right? For YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is your phone here?
Yeah. There's the phone. Here it is. Awesome. Thanks, Sean Scott. Where are you from, man? Where are you from, sir?
We're giving out free knowledge. We're giving out free T-shirts. We're giving out
Extra free shirts.
free everything.
You know what? We could
Want
give
a
out
job?
some
We're
silver
giving out-
today,
We're
sir.
giving out free labor. You want a job?
Here's the deal. Today, I'm going to give out some silver. I've got some silver coins right here. How many silver coins should I give out, Joe?
I say you give out 10.
10. 10 silver coins.
Silver coins. That's the value of...
Okay, so
Give out
check this
200
out.
bucks.
That's a lot of money, dude. I don't know if we want to give that out today. These are...
Here, wait. We're gonna switch to the phone live.
All right.
Give us 2 seconds. We're switching.
We're switching over. We are switching over in the Twitterverse, sir.
We just switched over. Just give it a minute.
You did switch over?
Yep.
I'm going to kind of start saying some of the same things I was saying a little bit earlier here. Maybe I should make this smaller, or maybe I should, yeah, this is our trading account right now. We're talking about taking some longs on Bitcoin amidst the fighting fury.
Shout out to everybody who was in the live earlier.
Yeah, what up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. And everybody wants to know, why is this happening? Why is Bitcoin crashing? And guess what? There's only one reason ever why Bitcoin is crashing. It is because an imbalance of buyers or sellers. It's not because of China. It's not because of Silvergate. It is not because your grandmother hit the sell button. No, no, no. But we were looking at this confirmed hidden bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame, which was staring at us in our faces after this closure right here. So we called it out on February 24th. On our YouTube channel, we said, hey, there's 5 drives of hidden bearish divergence. Who's back from the OG land?
From the OG TikTok. Looks like, I don't know. Drop a comment if you guys were in our TikTok live earlier. We got a lot more people in here now. I've got about 50 people in here.
What up, guys? All right, so this was the ascending triangle. So we used all the indicators in confluence together with each other to get an idea of what's going on. Here's the only problem is you're standing over there in the YouTube.
I'm in the YouTube?
You're in the YouTube, sir.
Dang.
You're in the YouTube live. So
you guys want to watch us on YouTube live too at work while you're wasting time?
yeah, where you're enjoying your day.
We're live on YouTube as well.
We're promoting our shirts. Be awake, not woke. So is this chat dead now? Because we locked out?
Yeah, that's an old chat. We got 87 people in here.
Okay, what up, guys?
Maybe you can open the chat from...
I can't. Can I see the chat over here, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. My daughter's teacher is blowing me up. Blowing me up during my live stream, sir.
Oh, we got to talk about the t-shirt for a moment.
All right, so
Everybody's in here.
why do we stress that you want to be awake, not woke? How are you going to be trading if you're asleep? No, just in case sirs and zers out there.
Sirs and zers. We don't want to say zers.
We don't believe in he, hims, or haws here, okay? You're either male or you're female. That's it. Got it? Now we'll talk about our trading strategy, all right? So what is our trading strategy here? It's trend, momentum, and volatility. Trend, momentum, and volatility. And guess what? We bullish. Here's the thing, guys. So I see a signal brewing. I do believe that we are going to get a bounce here temporarily. So how do you get set up like this? How do you get into trading Bitcoin? You have to learn. You have to follow along. And I mean, if you watch the YouTube channel, we've been calling out this target, this green box of peace and prosperity and death and despair, based off of what's called a hidden bearish divergence, right? So here it goes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lower highs. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that typically gives you a drive from the last lower high. Sorry, from the last lower high to from the low to the high to the 1618 fib, which was giving us this target right here in this green box. And from what I'm looking at right now, I mean, this has a little bit more room to go, guys.
Ian Ludlow says the gap on the CMEs just got filled.
Gap filled, and we had the gap filled right there. Boom. Now, if we shoot through the gap, guys, that's going to be the problem. If we do not bounce significantly from this area right now, we're coming down to 18.5. And here's why I think we're not going to violate 16.5. we just had on the weekly time frame oh, look at this. Our secondary chart. Who knows what's up with the hash ribbons indicator?
Hash ribbon.
Who knows what's up with the hash ribbons indicator? Anybody in the chat familiar with the hash ribbons indicator? All right, so what else are we going to do? So today's the day. We had a really good call today, guys. If you've been following our channel, we've been shorting the market for a while. We took our profits. We're laughing to the bank right now. We're partying in the office. So we're going to give away some half-ounce silver coins. These are called, I forgot the name, the Battle of the Coral Sea, the War in the Pacific. Got the Queen Elizabeth on the front and this guy on the back. And we're going to give these are pretty dope coins. Half ounce of silver. Hey, all you got to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel and then drop us an email with a screenshot of it. And the first 10 people are going to get coins, Joe. All you got to do, so the email is info@bitcoinadvisors.com.
Giving away $100 worth of silver.
That's more than $100. 10, well, yeah, I guess that is, because silver's tanking right now.
About 120 bucks.
120 bucks. All you got to do is like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Where can you find it? This is the channel right here, Bitcoin Advisors YouTube channel, and we're going to get you half ounce of silver. Somebody post in the chat the email. Can you do that? Can you respond to our chat?
I can.
Oh, there you go.
I can. I don't know.
All right, now more importantly, if you want to join the free Discord, we're throwing up free trade signals so you can either make money or get wrecked. But let's go over this one. The first one was Illuvium that we threw up yesterday. So I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to put on my regular trading chart. And I'm going to see if Bitcoin violates this area. Again, I got to have this up in the top of my screen here. Otherwise, who else can I? Oh, this guy. Yeah.
Welcome back to I Am
No.
George.
Don't show. We don't want to see George.
Set a like goal. I mean,
How many likes do we need?
How many likes? do
I
we
mean, I
need?
think the most we've gotten is a couple thousand.
Let's see if we can get the 5,000 likes today. What's your TA on Bitcoin? Toe King 1445.
All right, let me give you
What's your Bitcoin TA?
my Bitcoin TA. Let me rub my crystal balls together, sir.
He hasn't been watching the YouTube.
He has?
He hasn't.
Oh, okay. Well, ultimately, if this area breaks right here at, call it, if we close the day back above 20,500, I think there's a significant chance that we get a pretty big bounce. If we close below this level here at, call it 20,000 bucks today, then I think 18.5 is going to get hit with the possibility of, 17,000. But I don't think the lows get violated. I think there's an opportunity for Bitcoin to come down in this region and a major buying opportunity. So something like this. Look, if we don't bounce today and make a lower high right here, right? I think we are going to come down at 18.5. And then I think we're going to have a real rip to the upside. Look at Coinbase just shut down. What a piece of garbage. So,
So Gustavo Franco says, to sum up, if Bitcoin goes up, then it's gonna go up. If it goes down, then it goes down. Brilliant. He's cracked our
Gustavo,
code.
bro,
He's
you
cracked our
are
code.
you are next level, baby.
He's cracked our code. He's figured us out, man.
Look, here's what I would say is the Biden administration passed this stupid bill, a $750 billion Inflation Reduction Act, right? Which he was trying to tell everybody, guess what? Inflation's going to go down, and we're going to spend $750 billion. Now, if you believe that fool, that injecting $750 billion into the system was going to bring inflation down, you're a fool, right? Just like a year ago, Jerome Powell said inflation's going to be transitory. He was lying through his teeth. And just like Janet Yellen said, oh, we're not in a recession. Look at how many jobs we have, lying through her teeth, right? So the government is lying to us. The establishments are lying to us. You cannot trust the banks. You can't trust the brokers out there. So Bitcoin's about freedom. It's about bringing people together. It's about forming a new community that, learns how for you to be your own bank, for you to be responsible for your own money. That's the nice thing about Bitcoin is it does something really, really well, right? It allows me to send value to you without any intermediaries. There's no banks in the middle taking a fee, slowing things down. Now, if you want Jose or George or whatever your name was, if you want to be the guy that stares at a screen and doesn't understand what I'm talking about, that's fine. You can tune in to all the other idiots on TikTok, right? Or you can start to learn by downloading our free tutorial on how to set up TradingView and then spend 10 minutes a day taking practice trades, taking little bitty ones. So let's just review a couple, Joe.
That's Gustavo Franco. He says there's no way inflation is what they said. Got to be 15% plus.
20%. I would agree. 20%. So the idea is, okay, now you know inflation's at 20%. If you leave the money in the bank, you're losing, right? If you put it in your mattress, you're losing. Yeah, you can buy stocks. You can buy real estate, but you can't take possession of stocks. The government can take your real estate away, right? If you don't pay your taxes or you don't pay your child support, or if you get convicted of some stupid lawsuit and they want to take your house, good luck, right? But if you own that Bitcoin is yours. Nobody can take it away from you unless they take your private keys. So this is about becoming your own bank. And learning how to trade will help you from experiencing massive drawdowns in a bear market like we've been for the last year and a half. And if you've been following our YouTube channel, you would know we called the market top at like 53,000. So you can make money when it goes down, and then you can make money when it goes up. Yes, Gustavo, that's the answer. It's going to go up and it's going to go down. And if you know how to trade, right, you can make money to the upside, to the downside. And even if you only have $500 or $1,000, if you learn how to trade, you can use leverage and build your account. So let's get into some of those trades, and then I'm going to be done for the day because I got to get on to my next endeavor, sure. So check this out. Illuvium, which I'm hoping this is actually going on live YouTube.
It is.
Okay, Illuvium. So here, and I don't know why it's so small, but that would have been your entry at 72, your stop loss at 80. How do I zoom in? Oh, there we go. Nope. There we go. 72. Target 59. So let's see. This was just posted yesterday, by the way. And I haven't even checked this trade yet, so I'm not sure if, oh, there it was.
Can you open OBS real quick just so I can see it? Yeah, just click on it.
Here?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
I just want to make sure I'm not like in the camera for the YouTube.
Cool. Where is, yeah, it's just another phone. I don't know how these other guys do their YouTube videos so fancy, so like perfect. Okay, we're just doing this out of my garage somewhere in Westlake Village, California.
Farrington 1981 says no shit coins.
Well, I don't believe in shit coins either, but they're fun to short the Jesus out of them. Excuse my language. We like to short those dump coins, sir. Oh! Target hit, sir.
Target hit to it.
Target hit to a T. And I wish it must have been down here. I must have had it. I already had it up.
Generations 200 says it's all about money.
There it is. There it is, sir. Okay, close enough is close enough. We called this out yesterday. I didn't take the trade, honestly, but I was just, somebody asked about it on our stream yesterday, and I said, hey, let's start throwing up our targets on our Discord so you could verify, okay, maybe this guy might know what he's talking about. Maybe, just perhaps, maybe. All right, next trade up. That was Illuvium. Oh, look at the Bitcoin trade. What do you know? Entry 23,126, take profit 20,111.
Yeah, these are, and just to clarify, these are the free trade signals that we're putting in our Discord right now.
Yeah,
right?
these are the free, absolutely spanking free. And yes, we are going to charge you soon. One day. We're not going to give away free money forever. ZRX. Oh, another one. I guarantee you. Dude, all these hit. I mean,
all these targets got hit. We posted like 5 or 6 trades in our
from
Discord
yesterday.
And if you were following,
Oh, crap.
successful.
So, anyways, I'm gonna go back in there. Here we go. Illuvium. No, ZRX. That's the one. So our target on this one, just so you guys can see, was 1964. So I bet you we overshot that one. So let's go to ZRX here. Boom. Oh, look at that.
So
To a T.
That's perfect.
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad for a move from yesterday at 5 p.m. Okay, maybe I'll pat myself on the back a little bit more. Should we do it some more? Go back. No. Why is it zoomed in like that? I'm really not good at Discord either, guys, so forgive me. This one is Maker. Target at 8:15. Okay? Let's check this one out. Target hit. Big bounce, too, off the target. 814. It actually went all the way down to 795, to be fair. Not bad. Go join our Discord. Check out the trades for yourself. All right, next one up. That was the RX, my bad. This one is Maker, okay. And Coremia, whatever the heck this was. Corium.
So Sydney on top says, around what time each day do you post these trades in the Discord?
Well, I just started doing this a couple days ago, by the way, so I just felt real confident yesterday. And somebody asked me, "Oh, do you keep track of your predictions?" It's not a prediction. I don't have any crystal balls here. The only thing I'm rubbing together, sir, are some of these silver coins, which you can win one. All you got to do is subscribe to our beautiful YouTube channel right here. Right here. Subscribe. And email us at info@BitcoinAdvisors, a screenshot that you subscribed. We'll mail you the coins. We gave out some proof coins the other day. All right, this was the last call. I should have made more. AGIX. Oh, this was a huge one. Man, I wish I would have had enough time. My daughter was like, "Oh, you got to take me home for my homework. I got to go home." But that's one thing with trading. You know, you don't have every day, all day to trade. You got to take care of your family too. And most importantly, be awake, not woke, sir. We gotta smash that woke agenda in the ground. We do not want that being taught to our children. AGIX target. Here we go. Guarantee you it hit. No, I had it drawn on another chart. AGIX. Here we go. Binance.
You have those two on the top.
Which one?
Either one of those two.
Okay. Did we hit that one? No, not yet. Oh, so that's a trade, a live trade still.
I identify as a non-binary wolf. Generations 200 says.
Well, we can tell you about Jesus, sir. Jesus will save you.
Non-binary wolf.
Mr. Nine-Binary Wolf. Just kidding. No, but seriously, guys, I can attest to that. God is good. Put your faith in Him, not in any crypto coins, and you'll do well. But that's all right. So this one's still live, and where do we get this? Off this massive consolidation here.
Any info on Urine Finance? Jesus is king, boys. Generations has been saved. Okay, generations.
All right.
He has been saved.
Amen.
Jesus is king, boys.
All right. So.
But any info on Urine, Get Information wants to know.
Oh yeah. So we called this one out too, and I didn't post it in my Discord, but we were live streaming, and somebody yesterday was like, "Oh my gosh, how did he know?" And it's just TA, guys. I'm not a genius. I just looked at these charts for one too many hours. I'm going to bring that one back to the bottom of my stack because this is, oh, look at that. Just beautiful. All right, here we go. So why was this more apparently obvious than anything? Well, I think it was the daily, in fact. Here it was. So bearish divergence is one of the best ways to trade. And when you're in a massive downtrend, this is the best way to trade, in my opinion. So here it is. Here it is. Okay. What is hidden bearish divergence? Or this is classic bearish divergence, which is better than hidden bearish divergence. So what you have here is, I'm going to mark off. You see these higher highs, right? You want to see clear stop and reverse points. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Four drives gives you a move to the 1618. The 4 drive philosophy, which I can actually, I'm going to post it on our resource center. And if you guys like and subscribe, I'll give you a free cheat sheet on how to begin to identify bullish and bearish divergence. But this is it, guys. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 drives right there. And then the RSI. This is called the Relative Strength Index. And what this measures is the strength of the move. And so what you can see is 1, 2, 3, 4 lower highs compared to this high. So if you think of this as measuring the strength of the move is getting weaker and weaker. As the price is going higher, these little pumps to the upside, they're getting weaker. They're getting weaker. Who's calling? Oh my God. No, that's your dad. My dad don't call him. My daddy don't call me. Unfortunately, his girlfriend is crazy. So again, lower high, lower high, lower high on the RSI, higher high, higher high, higher high on. So what you see is a divergence in price and strength. The strength of the move is waning, putting in the lower highs. Adrian, is this making sense? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drives gets you that move to the 1618. And this is it. And so to be fair, guys, we were targeting a move right here, just to the 1618. You know, how many of these moves, and by the way, it was confirmed, you know, technically speaking, for me, I would have waited for this closure. I would have waited for that closure right there. And I do believe that's when we called it out. And we said, hey, a minimum move down to this support level, which is the previous highs. Remember, previous resistance becomes support. Well, now it broke. Now where's it likely coming down to? The next level. The next level coming in right here. So I think that's going to wrap up my, 3-course meal for the day. Hopefully you guys had enough fun. Hopefully, how many people we got up in here?
91 people in here.
Any other requests before I go? Any other requests, sir?
Generation says, thank you for the crash course.
You're welcome, sir. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. The biggest thank you I can ask for, let's see. We got 5 new people on the channel here. How many more subs can I get? I don't know, but I'm looking forward to talking with more of you guys, interacting. I like to have fun on these streams, and I hope you guys really enjoyed and you learned something. And look, I guess only 5 people are getting coins today. So make sure you hit us up and say, give me my free silver. Anybody who literally subscribes to the YouTube channel, we're giving you some free silver right now. Half-ounce silver coins. They're beautiful. You can give them to your mom or your grandmother, or you can cash them in a pawn shop and buy yourself a soda pop, or save on to them. Save on to that silver for when the dollar collapses and you need to buy some milk and bread and gasoline. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Take care. I'm signing out. Have yourself a blessed day.